Hello everyone, this guide walks you through the complete setup of the Spectrum Wi-Fi 7 router and modem, covering hardware installation, network configuration, and activation steps. Installation: connect the modem to your cable outlet and power, then link the modem to the Wi-Fi 7 router using an Ethernet cable and plug in the router's power. Connection: activate your Spectrum service online, then connect the device to the Wi Fi network using the default SSID and password provided on your router. Installation: setting up Spectrum Wi Fi 7 router and modem. Step 1: unbox and identify components. Unpack your Spectrum Wi Fi 7 router and locate the power adapter, Ethernet cable, and the router itself. Find the default Wi Fi network name, SSID, and password on the label on the router. Step 2: connect the modem. Attach one end of the coaxial cable to your wall cable outlet and the other end to the modem. Plug the modem's power adapter into the modem and then into an electrical outlet. Wait 2 to 5 minutes for the modem to initialize. The online status light should turn solid, not blinking when connected. Step 3: connect the router. Plug the power adapter into the router and then into a wall outlet. Connect the Ethernet cable, one end to your modem, and connect another end to the internet WAN yellow port on the router. If you want to connect a computer or other device via Ethernet, use the blue 1G or 2.5G Ethernet LAN ports on the router. Step 4: power on and wait for initialization. Turn on your modem and wait for it to fully boot up. Power on your router by plugging it on. Wait for the front panel light to turn solid blue. This means the router is connected to the internet and ready to use. If it doesn't power on, press the reset button at the back of the router for 5 seconds. Do not press more than 10 seconds. It will factory reset the router. Blue flashing booting up. Blue easing connecting to internet. Solid blue connected and ready. Red or blue light, see troubleshooting section to the user's guide. Step 5: optimize router placement. Place the router in a central open location on a raised surface for the best coverage. Avoid placing it in closets, media centers, behind TVs, or near devices like cordless phones and microwaves that can cause interference. Connection: activating and accessing your Spectrum Wi Fi 7 network. Step 1: connect your device to Wi Fi 7. On a smartphone, tablet, or computer, open Wi Fi settings. Select the default Wi Fi network name SSID shown on the router's label. Example: Spectrum Setup XXXX. Enter the default Wi Fi password from the label. For iOS, open the Settings app, tap Wi Fi, and make sure Wi Fi is turned on. Select Spectrum Setup from the list, tap it, then enter the default password from your router's label to connect. For Android, open the Settings app, tap Connections or Network and Internet, then tap Wi Fi. Make sure Wi Fi is enabled. Select Spectrum Setup, enter the default password from the router's label, and tap Connect. Step 2: download and set up the My Spectrum app. Scan the QR code on the router's label or download the My Spectrum app available for iPhone and Android. Sign in with your Spectrum username and password. If you don't have an account, visit Spectrum account online and select Create a username. Step 3: personalize your Wi Fi network. Change your Wi Fi network name, SSID, and password for better security. Open the My Spectrum app and sign in. Tap or click on Services and select your Wi Fi 7 router. Tap or click Manage Network. Enter your new network name, SSID, and password, then save your changes. Set up a guest network. In the My Spectrum app or web interface, go to Services and select your router. Look for the guest network option and tap or click it. Turn on the guest network, set a name and password, and save your settings. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.